I'm going to show you exactly how to generate AI videos of your own face that actually look like you and how to turn those into short, ready-to-post clips without losing your mind. Artificial intelligence has gotten so good lately that you absolutely do not need an expensive, complicated Hollywood studio setup to produce believable results. I am going to walk you through a simple pipeline. We will collect a small photo dataset, train a custom image model, animate those shots, and use Vizard to slice everything into viral content. First, you need a mini dataset of at least 10 images, though I recommend using 12, and maintaining consistent lighting and age is the secret sauce for success. Make sure you include variety in your backgrounds and angles so the model learns your face structure rather than just memorizing the backdrop behind you. Once you have your images, zip them up into a single file and head over to Replicate to start the training process for your custom image model. Inside Replicate, you are going to search for the Flux trainer, which is the perfect tool for teaching the model how to recreate your unique facial features. Pick a storage location, upload your zip file, and choose a weird, unique trigger token that won't show up in normal text so the model associates it strictly with you. I personally like to set an auto-caption prefix and bump up the rank value to 32 to get those fine-grained details without spending a fortune on compute costs. After about 20 minutes of training, your model will be ready and you can start running it from the dashboard to generate images that look exactly like you. You can add creative modifiers like alien aesthetics, neon lighting, or specific film stocks to change the vibe while keeping your likeness consistent and sharp. Pro tip: keep your training photos consistent, especially your head-on shots, because that dictates how well the final video will look when it's talking to the camera. If you want to add extra polish, run your best generated images through an upscaler like Magnific to really tighten up those details before you move to the animation stage. For the animation, I prefer using Clean's image-to-video generator because it does an incredible job of preserving facial shapes and keeping the motion smooth. Keep your animation prompts simple and stick to shorter clips of 5 seconds, because pushing for longer movements is where you start to see that weird face warping. While Runway's Gen-3 is a very solid alternative, I personally found that Clean provided better consistency for my specific facial likeness preservation. Once you have your raw AI clips, this is the exact moment where most creators get stuck, because managing them across different channels is just exhausting. This is exactly why I rely on Vizard to take over the heavy lifting of editing and distributing my content across all my social media platforms. Vizard's auto-editing feature is a complete game changer because it automatically detects viral moments and slices your long footage into snackable, platform-ready clips. It even handles the jump cuts, automatically adjusts your aspect ratios, and adds captions without you having to manually touch a single editing timeline. The auto-schedule feature allows you to queue everything up in advance, so you don't have to live on your phone or wake up at odd hours to hit the publish button. Using the content calendar, I can manage everything in one single view, which is light years ahead of juggling separate spreadsheets and multiple editing apps. Why choose Vizard over doing it manually or hiring an editor? It's simple, because it bridges the gap between powerful animation tools and scalable content distribution. You get a professional, high-quality workflow where Replicate handles the training, Clean handles the animation, and Vizard handles the scaling strategy. Don't expect perfection on your very first try, but if you iterate with better reference photos and keep your training cycles short, you will get amazing results. This entire pipeline isn't magic, it is just about putting the right tools together to build a system that creates high-quality content while you focus on the big ideas. If you want the exact checklist and settings for my workflow, just let me know and I'll get those over to you so you can start creating your own AI persona today.